There is a city in the middle of the Arabian Gulf that has turned its dreams into solid reality. Dubai has set the world on its heels with its luxury and innovation, and has mesmerized the world with its projects. Some of the most impressive are the artificial islands, which are considered to be true masterpieces of human creation. In what way does Dubai construct these islands? What is involved in the making of these magnificent islands of the contemporary world? We will explain some of it in this video. Artificial islands like Palm Jumeirah, the World Islands, and Blue Waters Island have revolutionized the geography of Dubai and placed the city on the global map of tourist destinations and luxury lifestyles. These islands are not just architectural masterpieces, they are the manifestation of Dubai's progressive outlook and its drive to attain the better. The formation of these islands involves a lot of planning and designing, and this may take several years of planning and consultation. Civil engineers, architects, and town planners collaborate to draw out plans that would make the island sustainable, aesthetic, and functional. This stage includes the assessment of the environmental effects, the evaluation of the project's viability, and the creation of the project's prototype in 3 dimensions. For example, the shape of Palm Jumeirah is in the form of a palm tree to ensure that as much land touches the water as possible, and also to develop a unique structure that can easily be seen from space. After the designs, the next process is land reclamation, which is the process of creating new land from the sea. This is done by taking sand from the seabed and then pumping it to the required area, known as dredging. In the case of Palm Jumeirah, more than 94 million cubic meters of sand were taken from the Arabian Gulf. The sand is then sprayed on the site through a method called rainbowing, which aids in shaping the island. In order to prevent the newly formed land from being eroded or attacked by storms, rocks are arranged in such a manner that they surround the sand. Dredging is a very technical and intricate process. There are specific boats called trailing suction hopper dredges that are used to scoop sand from the sea bottom. These vessels have suction pipes that suck sand and water and transport them to the reclamation area. The sand is then deposited in layers, and this gradually forms the land. This term is derived from the manner in which the sand and water mixture is sprayed to form an arc like a rainbow. The rock barrier constructions are well engineered. These are barriers commonly referred to as revetments or breakwaters due to their importance in protecting the islands from the force of the sea. The rocks are chosen in a proper manner and placed so that they can effectively reduce the wave energy and thus avoid erosion of the artificial land, while also offering long-term stability to the artificial land. After the formation of the basic landform, attention is turned towards the construction of the infrastructure. This entails the construction of roads, bridges, and other infrastructural facilities like water, electricity, and sewage systems. Sophisticated technology and construction techniques are used to enhance the durability and sustainability of the buildings. For instance, Palm Jumeirah has a monorail transport system that links the island to the mainland, making it easily accessible to the people staying there as well as tourists. Construction on such terrain is not easy because the land is reclaimed from water bodies. The engineers need to take into account the settling behavior of the land, since the newly formed land tends to settle or become more compact. In response to this, geotechnical engineers undertake soil investigations and also employ methods of improving the ground. These may include soil reinforcement, the application of geotextile materials, and even deep soil mixing to make sure that the ground is stable enough to support structures. Another important factor is the provision of utilities. Due to the fact that the islands are luxurious, the facilities must be reliable and efficient in their functionality. Modern water and sewage treatment plants are usually constructed to provide a steady source of clean water and proper means of waste disposal. Electricity networks are built to deliver large amounts of energy and are integrated with renewable energy where feasible. Dubai's islands are among the most famous projects in the world. Palm Jumeirah has luxurious accommodation facilities such as Atlantis, the Palm, and other residential properties and shopping centers. The world islands are a cluster of 300 islands in the shape of a world map that contain private resorts and villas. Blue Waters Island has the Ain Dubai, the tallest observation wheel globally, as well as entertainment and shopping facilities. Atlantis, the Palm, is one of the main attractions of Palm Jumeirah and provides guests with luxury and entertainment. It has an underwater aquarium, a water park, and a variety of restaurants to suit the international clientele. The architectural design and luxurious facilities make it an embodiment of the city's desire for quality. The World Islands project is one of the examples of the imaginative spirit of Dubai. Every island is planned to depict a specific country or a continent, which provides different themes and concepts. These islands are for the elite and the wealthy who want to be left alone and get to enjoy the best of what they're offering in terms of accommodation and services. The other spectacular project is Blue Waters Island, which hosts Ain Dubai, the world's largest observation wheel. This engineering marvel gives a vantage view of the city and the Arabian Gulf. The island also offers a blend of shopping, dining, and entertainment facilities, so it's among the most preferred places for people in the region. It's not as easy to build these islands as it may sound. Engineers have to deal with challenges such as the instability of sand, water flow, and general marine conditions. These problems have been solved through the application of geotextile membranes to fix the sand and the application of hydraulic engineering. Further research and development guarantees that Dubai is always ahead in the technology of constructing islands. It is crucial to use geotextile membranes in the construction of the sand used in land reclamation. These are fabrics that are used in between sand and rocks to offer support and to avoid the wearing away of the layers. They also aid in drainage, thus assisting in the preservation of the reclaimed land. Dubai's ambition does not end with the islands that have already been constructed. Further plans include the continuation of the construction of more coastline for the city and the promotion of the city's image on an international level. Further projects are residential compounds, entertainment centers, and environmentally friendly tourism facilities. The vision of Dubai is to build a city that is innovative, luxurious, and at the same time, sustainable. Among the future projects, one must mention the construction of new residential districts on artificial islands. These communities are intended to be modern and luxurious, with environmentally friendly homes, green areas, and state-of-the-art utilities. The aim is to develop compact, sustainable communities that will be the benchmark for modern urban environments. Dubai is also keen on diversifying the attractions for tourists by creating new entertainment cities on its islands. These hubs will include new generation attractions, cultural tourism, and other facilities that will attract tourists from all over the world. Thus, Dubai is trying to diversify its tourism in order to remain one of the leading tourist destinations in the world. Starting from the concept and design stages, through the choice of the method of land reclamation, and up to the principles of sustainable development, the story of how Dubai creates its islands is a story of vision, innovation, and determination. These islands will only grow with time and will surely encourage generations to come to think big and to achieve the impossible. We hope you enjoyed the tour of the man-made islands of Dubai. Tune in for more innovations and engineering stories from around the world.